Did you know that the original version of Excel 97 contains a hidden flight simulator? Well, here's how to find it. First, we're going to go to Programs, Microsoft Office, and then load up Excel. Then we're going to press F5. We're going to type in X97, L97. Then we're going to press Tab. We're going to hold down Control and Shift. And while we're holding them down, we're going to press Chart Wizard. And that'll load up the flight simulator. It's not the most impressively technical sim, but what I love is that if you're careful, you can fly up to this box here and then you'll be able to read the credits and see all the people that made Excel. How cool's that? If you enjoy learning about Easter eggs on games, music, DVDs, you name it, I love Easter eggs, then give the channel a follow.